Hey, is Zoom showing a black screen when you try to share your screen? Yeah, it's really annoying when your audience can't see anything, even though you're presenting. In this guide, I'll show you the fastest ways to fix Zoom black screen during screen sharing in 2026 so your presentations work perfectly. First, make sure Zoom has proper permissions to record and share your screen. On Mac, System Preferences, Arrow Security, and Privacy Arrow Screen Recording Arrow allow Zoom. On Windows, ensure Zoom has screen sharing permissions in your account settings. Make sure Zoom is updated. Open Zoom Arrow, click your profile picture arrow. Check for updates. Updates often fix screen sharing bugs, including black screen issues. Close Zoom completely and restart your computer or laptop. A fresh restart can fix temporary glitches causing the black screen. Sometimes hardware acceleration can cause black screen issues. Go to Zoom Settings, Arrow Video, Arrow Advanced Arrow, turn off hardware acceleration, then restart Zoom. If you have multiple monitors or a dedicated GPU, Zoom might display incorrectly. Try switching display modes, disconnect extra monitors, or adjust GPU settings in your system control panel. Other screen recording apps or video software can conflict with Zoom. Close apps like OBS, Discord Screen Share, or video editors, then try sharing again. If Zoom still shows a black screen, uninstall and reinstall it. This fixes corrupted files and resets settings that might cause display issues. And that's it. One of these fixes should stop the Zoom black screen during screen sharing so you can present without interruptions. If this helped, check out my other quick tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.